This is a 1975 Holden HJ Sandman panel van. These are super iconic, classic Aussie cars, and this is a really neat example. So under the bonnet runs a 4.2 litre V8 engine paired to a 4-speed manual transmission. The car's been really neatly restored. It was a factory Jamaican lime colour. It's been repainted this really cool metallic green colour. It's got a dual headlight front end, GTS style wheels, got windows in the side. The car is a Brisbane built car, which means it's plated XX7, so there's no question on its authenticity as a genuine Sandman. It also does have the Holden historical report to confirm that. Make sure you check out all the details, guys, and good luck with the bidding.